Hi guys, you're welcome to this tutorials. In this tutorials, we'll be looking at how to configure Ghana National Grid in Topcon tools. That's after installation. And the Topcon tools I have here is the version 8.23. So first of all, you open the Topcon tools. That's after the installation. You wait for it to open. Now my Topcon tools has opened. We are now going to start with the configuration. To do the configuration, you come to new job, click on new job, you come to configurations. The configuration, you come to edit configurations. So another pop-up will open. Yes, we have the pop-up here. In the pop-up, we have display, we have coordinates, coordinate system, we have unit, we have equipment, other settings. So first of all, let's set the coordinate system. The coordinate system, you come to coordinate system, you come to the custom here, click on another pop-up will open. You come to add. To add the coordinate system, that's the Ghana national grid or War-Office Datum we are trying to add onto the Topcon tools in order to process our coordinates into that coordinate system. So here, this one demands the name of the datum you are coming to add to the Topcon tools. So the name of the datum, you can edit it, you can put it War-Office or National Grid. But me, I prefer National Grid. Yeah, but you can put it any name you want, but that is the national grid coordinates or datum transformation or configuration you are trying to enter here. All right, so let's say Ghana National Grid. The projection type should be transverse Mercator. That is the projection type for the national the War-Office or Ghana National Grid. We have here under the name we have central meridian. Meridian should be 1 degree west, meridian 1 degree west, and that is the the datum parameter for the meridian of Ghana National Grid. The second one is the scale factor or the scale. The scale factor for Ghana National Grid is 0.99975. Yes, then we have the latitude for the datum. The datum latitude is the 4 degrees 40 minutes north, 4 degree 40 minutes north, and then you add the sign of the north here, and the force instance in meters, force instance in meters for the Ghana National Grid is 274320, 274320, and the force northern for Ghana National Grid is 0. So when we are done doing this, we now search for the datum. You come to datum here, there's a drop down, you click on the drop down, you see something like War-Office. War-Office is the datum we are searching. That's we are configuring the War-Office parameters. The parameters we have here are actually the parameters of the Ghana War-Office. So let's select the War-Office here and we apply, then okay. When you apply and okay, you see it here, then you close. You have the parameter here. Just for I've set it already, but this is just for tutorials I'm doing. So you see mine being 2, but if you are doing it the first time, you have it only 1, then you close it. When you close it, you come here, the projection. There's a drop down under the projection. Here it will be now because I've edited mine or I've configured mine already. You see Ghana National Grid there, but if you are doing it the first time, you see now here. So what you do, you just click on the drop down, you look for the Ghana National Grid. This is the new one I've just started. Then you click on it. That one will come to replace where the null is. Yeah, that one will come to replace. If you click on it, it will come here. And the datum is immediately you click on the name of the edition, automatically the datum name will appear here. If it is the national grid we did, you see that the name of the datum, let me do it, then you see, click, you see that the name of the datum appeared. If I go back to my own, they say the name of the datum appeared. But if it is on now, here will be empty. All right. Then we come to the joy. The joy, you don't do anything because if you click here, nothing will come. The coordinate types will be grid. We have a lot of coordinate types here, but in the Ghana national grid or the national grid, you select grid. Then we come to unit here. We are done with the coordinate system. We come to unit. You come to unit, we have the linear unit and the angular unit. The linear unit, you put in international feet. That's the unit system for the Ghana national grid. And the angular unit to be degree, minute, and seconds. And we have other units for angles, but in Ghana national grid, we depend on degree, minute, and seconds. All right. I think we are done with the configuration for here at this point. Then the next step you go, you can save configuration. Then you give it a name. You can save it and give it a name. Then you click OK. When you click OK, now you give the name of the job you're coming to do. So let's say this is the name of my job. You can actually put the job location, navigate to your desktop to save the job in any folder you want. You can also add your name created by you can add your name here, the name of the surveyor or the operator. Then any comment you have, I think, then you click OK. The interface of Topcon tools will appear. So if you see the interface here, we have if you look down here, we have Ghana national grid, we have the grid here, we have the degree, minute, and seconds, and we have the international feed. That's the configuration we we set on the configuration pop-up. Here is to configure the report. To configure your report to any standard you want, you come to report configuration. Then here I have configured my report already, so I will just depend on that for you to see how to configure yours. Here you click on this, my report, I have configured it already. You click here. First of all these things will be here, so you have to look for what you want. If the Topcon logo was here, like this adjustment, so I'll click on it, then press this arrow. You see that the adjustment have moved from where it is to and add to this place. So I don't need it here, so I can actually remove it there. So you look for Topcon logo, look for point summary, look for GPS observation. Under GPS observation, that one gives you the RMS of the data process or the solution type of the data process. That will be whether the point is fixed or float. So you click on the GPS observation, then you come to options. Options, we have a lot of options under here if you want them, but what I have taken from here is the horizontal RMS, the vertical RMS, the distance, the start time, the duration, RMS, the solution type. So anything you want, the epochs, the elevation angle, azimuth, uh, the end, what if you want them, you can actually click and then move it there. You see that it has added. If I don't want it, I will click on it and take it back. All right, this is how we configured our GP or our survey report. And again, after, if you want to present your report, do you want it in HTML or Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel? Any of them you want, you just select it. But me, I want it in this format. Then you close. So we have your Topcon tools configured in Ghana National Grid, ready for processing. Thank you very much for spending your time in this video. As usual, you can subscribe to my channel, like and put your thought under the comment section. Thank you very much. Thank you.